Tom Sweeney here, and I'm going to show you today rolling a tall wall in a great room. And this takes some experience of rolling, but you can do this with the correct equipment. I got a longer pole here. This will run you like 50 bucks at a store. I got my 14-inch pad and tray, and I roll this like a normal wall. We are gonna go top to bottom on the roll, despite it being a tall wall. So, here we go. Start about a third of the way up. Distribute the paint up top and then pull it back down. I'm hardly putting any pressure on this pad, I'm just keeping it on the wall. Careful not to hit the ceiling. Back up into my earlier pass. Taking it forward. Just keeping the pad on the wall with light pressure. I'm going to keep that wet edge. Keep it rolling. A little investment in some tools. A little self-confidence. And you can do this too.